Okay guys, VLOOKUP functions do have their problems and there are some issues with VLOOKUP functions which can be fixed, but it is important for us to identify those issues. So over here I have a simple data entry. Here I have weekdays and there I have corresponding numbers. So I will quickly show you the function over here, that is VLOOKUP. It will look up to this cell and find this cell input in this range over here, in this range, and give me the second column output, and false is the default for approximation. So if I type over here the first weekday, that is Monday, it gives me 1, working quite well. But what if I type Sunday over here? So it gives me an error, and this is something that we will work on right now. So first of all, VLOOKUP functions are case insensitive. So it doesn't matter if you type small sunday or capital sunday, it will anyway look up and give you the corresponding result. But in this case, even though we have the case sensitivity correctly matched, which is not at all necessary, it is still giving us error. So we will study that. Here over here in the formula bar it says Sunday, okay, and over here in this cell it says Sunday followed by a space between Y and a blinking cursor. So this is a string which contains sunday and a space, and this space is what is in the backend or programming is telling that these two entities are different. It is treating space as any alphabet. So it is treating space as an alphabet and telling Excel that this contains an extra alphabet than what you are looking for. So what we will do is we will remove all the spaces and from our data entry, and one way of doing that is, of course you are not going to click over and check if there is space or not and then remove the space. This won't be feasible for 200, 300 or thousands of data in column A. So what we will do is we will use trim function. This function will do what? Remove, it says over here, remove all spaces from a text string, text string except for single space between words. So it will remove all the spaces before and after of the string from left and right side. So we will apply trim function to column A, and I will quickly apply to all the cells, and then I will copy this and paste it over here. And then what I will do is in this function I will change this range to this range, and now it will work properly. If I type you can see in Saturday, it's over here we have space, but over here it's going to work properly. So we have worked out our space problem in dealing with VLOOKUP functions as text argument. Now moving on, when we have problem, or we also have some common issues when we look up to numerical data in VLOOKUPs. So there is a similar function setup over here. What I will do is quickly demonstrate it to you. If I type 1, it says Monday, okay. If I type 5, it gives me the corresponding value Friday. If I type 6, it gives me an error. And what is the problem now is over here, this is 6, okay, 6 data type is integer, and over here what we have is 6 and there is an apostrophe, so it is telling it that this 6 is a text and data type is string. So it is a text type, whereas what we are looking for is an integer type, and that is telling the Excel that these two entities are not same. So the way to look up to such lookup in these cases is to add apostrophe in your VLOOKUP as well, so that now it will look up to string 6 and it will give you the match.